Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Etrailer hitch receiver reducer sleeves for a 3-inch hitch down to a 2.5-inch opening or a 2-inch opening. Now these adapter sleeves will let you use your 2.5-inch or 2-inch towing and hitch mounting accessories with a 3-inch hitch receiver. Basically this part here, this will slide into a 3-inch by 3-inch hitch receiver opening, and it reduces it down to use a 2.5-inch by 2.5-inch accessory. Then if you want, you can take this smaller one, slide it in there. Now you can put this in a 3-inch by 3-inch hitch receiver and use a 2-inch by 2-inch hitch accessory just by inserting that. These are very easy to use. Actually, you can even use this inner one separately in a 2.5-inch by 2.5-inch hitch receiver opening to reduce it down to a 2-inch by 2-inch accessory. And as we mentioned, they're very easy to use. They just slide directly into your hitch or mount them onto the shank of your hitch accessory. They are a sturdy steel construction. They do have a nice matte black powder coat finish over a protective base coat, which is the same finish that's used on our Etrailer hitches to give you superior rust resistance. Now when you do install these, it does require a hitch pin and clip or a hitch lock through the hole here to secure everything. And now those pins and clips or the lock are sold separately on our website. Lots of times they are listed on this product page as a related product. Now the hitch pin hole diameter on both of these sleeves is 3/4 of an inch, and you can be used with a 5/8 inch diameter hitch pin. Specs again, application, this will work in 3-inch by 3-inch or 2.5-inch by 2.5-inch hitch receivers, and it'll give you the hitch receiver openings of either 2-inch by 2-inch or 2.5-inch by 2.5-inch. Now these are the same length, so when I put them in there, the holes will line up, gives you the same overall length, so I'm going to measure that for you. The overall length on this, from one end to the other, is 6 3/8 inches. Now the measurement of the hitch pin hole, we're going to measure from the center of the hitch pin hole on the shorter end to the end of the shank. So on this one you can see if we go that way, center to the end is right at 2.5 inches. If we go the longer end, from the end of the hitch to the center, is going to be right at 3 7/8 inches. One last thing I do want to mention on these reducer sleeves, the weight capacity will be limited to the rated capacity of your hitch receiver. But that should do it for the review on the Etrailer hitch receiver reducer sleeves for a 3-inch hitch to a 2.5-inch or 2-inch opening.